Hey, what's up guys? I'm Jacoby from JacobysJourneys.com, and today we're taking a look at an interesting product from a company called Potty Packs. So these are compact little travel packs that you can use when you're going outdoors to go to maybe to the parks, to a concert, events. Today we've got a park pack, a potty pack, and a hangover kit. So stay tuned. So first off, I want to give a big thank you to Potty Packs for partnering with me and sending me these samples. And I'm going to link to their website in the description box below, so I really recommend checking them out. They're a really cool company located in Austin, Texas. So again, we're going to be reviewing 3 different kits here today. The first one we're taking a look at is called the Park Pack. It's going to have everything you would need when you're at the park for the day. All right, so taking a look what's inside the Park Pack, here on the back it lists everything. So we'll go ahead and get this opened up. First item is some earplugs in case you're going to a concert, some lip balm for dry or chapped lips, a little packet of instant hand sanitizer, which is great for porta potties, some insect repellent, some sunscreen lotion, and lastly a tush wipe, which is great for your face, hands, or maybe your butt. And again, this is going to be great going to the park, or maybe you're going to go spend the day at a concert or a venue. All right, that first kit, the Park Pack, is really cool. So now we're gonna take a look at the second one. This is called the Potty Pack. And this is gonna have a little bit different items than the first one. This basically is made for someone that you're basically just traveling. You're gonna go out for the day. Maybe you wanna take this on a road trip. Maybe you're gonna be taking a flight. You're going to the park. You could also use this too. So like the name entails, this one's basically made for the toilet. So here on the back, it's got some instructions how to use it. And then getting into the packet, you can see this also has some tush wipes. And it does come with a small roll of toilet paper, although not a lot, so use this sparingly. A small moist towelette. Also a packet of instant hand sanitizer to maybe clean your hands or the toilet seat prior to use. And then it comes with a toilet seat cover. So these are ones that you're gonna basically put on the toilet seat before you sit down on it. So these are really nice to have in a public bathroom. So again, this is a great thing to use maybe if you're camping or outdoors. Or for me, I like this when I'm on the airplane. So it's a nice thing to have when you're using that bathroom, or maybe on the train for that bathroom as well. All right, so I really like the items that come in that potty pack. It's got some really useful ideas. All right, now moving into the third bag, the third product, we've got the Hangover Kit. So this is gonna help alleviate problems from your hangover. So this is gonna be a great kit for you drinkers out there. Here on the back, it's got the instructions how to use it. So let's get this opened up. So first off, we've got some electrolyte powder that will help rehydrate you. Then we've got a little packet of aspirin to help that headache, a packet of dietame, which is gonna help with that upset stomach, some lip balm for your dry lips, a little moist towelette for your face, as well as some candy for that stink nasty breath. And again, this is gonna be a great one to have as a next day pick-me-up after a long night. So again, as you can see, each kit is a little bit different in the items that it includes, but overall they're all great, they're all specialized, and have some really great products for each use. So thanks again to Potty Packs for partnering with me to make this video possible, and thank you for watching, I really appreciate it. Hit subscribe if you haven't. I upload new adventure travel, as well as travel gear review videos every week. And remember, life's about the journey, not just the destination.